The BJP may be all set to form government in Delhi as it may have well sorted out its numbers. The Aam Aadmi Party has alleged the BJP has been buying MLAs. We have heard the BJP's Jagdish Mukhi is the front runner for the Delhi Chief Minister's post. The BJP could, however, wait for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to return from the BRICS summit before it takes a final call. Well, sources at this point indicating that the BJP's Jagdish Mukhi could be the front runner for the Delhi Chief Minister's post. Remember, Harsh Vardhan, who had stood earlier as the BJP's chief ministerial candidate for Delhi, is now the Union Health Minister, and that rules him out. But the BJP now perhaps taking those final steps towards forming a government. Bhairavi joining us at this point for more. Bhairavi, what are the details that you're hearing?
Well,
what are sources telling you?
Coming in, of course, is the fact that we are hearing from top sources within the BJP that Jagdish Mukhi's name is doing the rounds as the front runner for the post of BJP's chief ministerial candidate. Now, of course, there was a BJP meeting today at the BJP state office where, of course, they categorically denied that it was for anything to do with the government formation. However, what we're hearing from sources is that the BJP MLAs are keen on government formation, however, not a re-election. So that is one thing that they're going to be looking at, but they are waiting for a nod from the High Command. We're also hearing that they are waiting from the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to come back, and then the top leadership, of course, will take a call on the parameters of this. We're also, of course, hearing all through the day, we've heard allegations of horse trading. The Aam Aadmi Party came out and said that the BJP was trying to target first its MLAs and now, of course, trying to buy off Congress MLAs to make the government as of now. We're also, of course, hearing from some sources within the BJP that there may be some possibility of some Congress MLAs defecting. So a lot of speculation at the moment, but of course we're hearing that government formation is something on the agenda as of now for the BJP MLAs. And they're not keen for a re-election. The Congress itself, of course, when we've spoken to them off record, they've also said that they're not very keen on any election because they don't see a possibility of forming the government at all. So a lot of speculation in the air, of course, lots of allegations back and forth. And Satish Upadhyay, of course, the BJP chief today at the state office also said that the Aam Aadmi Party must come out with evidence of this kind of allegations that they're saying that 20-30 crores are being given to buy off other MLAs for defection and so on, Bani.
All right, Bhairavi, stay with us. Let's just listen in to some of those allegations and counters that we've heard through the day. The Aam Aadmi Party's Arvind Kejriwal tweeting, in fact, after failing to buy any Aam Aadmi Party MLA, the BJP now trying to buy 6 Congress MLAs. He claims, remember these are all claims and allegations being made by Arvind Kejriwal, that the price of each is 20 crores, 2 ministers and 4 chairmen. This is what Arvind Kejriwal has tweeted. Well, the BJP immediately responded to this. This was Harsh Vardhan.
एक सवाल की दिल्ली में बीजेपी सरकार बनाने की कोशिश कर रही है नहीं कर रही ये तो आरोप पे तो बोलो ना। खरीद फरोख्त के आरोप लगा रहे हैं केजरीवाल जी आप पे।
केजरीवाल जी की हर बात का जवाब देना जरूरी थोड़ी होता है।